All right, coach. Not the start you want regarding your first game. Tell us what went wrong regarding the team or they started here
I mean, those
against
those
this
those
racing
those
team.
early goals really set us back. I think we could have done much better in terms of our defensive organization, and in terms of the turnovers, that really hurt us so early in the game. But I think we did a better second half. As I saw, the team came out with a little bit more fight, even when we were playing a man down.
And regarding they were saying a lot of the quality was on the bench. What was the cause for that?
These guys, they just returned. They didn't do any preseason, so we have to really manage them in terms of the amount of minutes. This is our first game, 37 other games to play, so it's good to get this out of our system as quickly as possible and move on.
MG, coach, not the result today. It's very harsh one, 5-1 from Arnett Gardens standpoint. Defensively, it seems the defenders didn't click in today to stop the racing attack. What went wrong defensively, coach?
Well, as I said before, we weren't organized defensively, and I think we made some mistakes. The third goal was a turnover. The first one, I think first and second, the keeper could have done much better. But he's a youngster, he's still learning his craft, and we're not gonna be hard on him. We just have to get this out of our system and move on.
Would you put this result based on preparation, or you guys had a good preparation coming into this game?
I wouldn't say preparation, it's more of chemistry. A lot of our pieces just coming back and joining up with the team, and we are trying to our best to blend them in as best as possible. As you know, there are quality players that we have on the bench, but we need to get them up to par in terms of match readiness and move on with our season.
Any positive you got from the game? You guys actually created chance to score a goal. You scored one. You should have scored more, in my opinion.
Yeah, I think we created about 4 goal scoring chances in the first half. Second half was really positive in terms of the fight that the team showed and the commitment to what was going on out there. Even playing with Amanda, we also got a goal. So it's that's the positive we're going to take from it and move on.
So, can you tell the fans that going forward, Arnett Gardens will become a force to be reckoned with?
We have a quality team, we have a quality set of guys put together. Today was just unfortunate. System breaks down and it happened right over the world. We just need to hold our heads up and move on from this.
Thanks, coach. Continue putting the good work. Looking forward next year.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.